First of all, welcome to Plant High School. I'm biased, but I believe we are the best high school in Hillsborough County. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jenny Burdick, or as the students call me, Mrs. B. I have a master's degree in English and reading from FSU and USF. I've been a teacher at Hillsborough Community College and Memorial Middle School, and now Plant High. Plant holds a very special place in my heart because my husband was a Panther and I have a 10th grade son here now. I'll be teaching 9th grade reading this year. My job is to keep your son or daughter improving their reading and writing skills and to pass the FSA. We use what is called the Path to College and Career curriculum. It will also be uploaded to our new format Canvas, which we will learn together. We read, we write, and we talk about real-world issues and teenage issues. We analyze text, we annotate text, and we write with textual evidence from those texts. We also practice test-taking strategies a lot. But more than that, I'm a parent in our community, and I work with teenagers every day. I focus on the whole child. You can always contact me, especially now with what's going on in the world. Last but not least, I want to leave you with Plant's motto, strength through unity. I am here, our administration is here, the teachers and the guidance counselors, everyone is here for you and your child. I will send my email address, and it's also on Plant's website. So let's get reading and writing, and remember, it's all about the P. Welcome to the 2021